Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this, the WUBEN X4 Mini LED flashlight. It's available in white, in black, and in a gray version on the market. I like the white version much, as you can see. The X4 Mini LED flashlight comes with RGB light. Additionally, this is a really small flashlight, which comes with a rechargeable 1500 lumens powered torchlight function. It's an EDC tactical flashlight with IP68 waterproof rating. Whoa, that's nice for camping, and for emergency, and for everyday use. The WUBEN X4 small flashlight has a dual light source design, where the main light offers a brightness of up to 1500 lumens and the brightness range of up to 200 meter plus. The side light, provides a warm light with up to 100 lumens and has an RGB light source, as you can see. Really nice. The EDC flashlight has a unique structural design, with a toggle switch responsible for selecting the light modes. We can go to lock, side light, main light, and Moonlight. The Moonlight is the best version, yeah, of course. The Moonlight mode exposes that the USB-C charging port, it is still waterproof, and a rotary switch, which is responsible for controlling the brightness, stepless dimming, and RGB color. And tactical limit switch and the magnetic end part, because the extremely bright flashlight is equipped with an integrated tactical limit switch on the housing. Both in the main light and the side light mode, it can immediately activate the 1500 lumen main light for lighting. It also has a magnetic end and piece that can be attached to any metal surface, so we have our hands free. And it's lightweight housing and extended clips. Because the X4 Mini flashlight weighs only 137 grams, there's a 4.8 OZ with a battery that measures only 3.8 to 2.6 to 9.5 centimeter. There's a 1.5 to 1 to 3.8 inches. So it can be easily attached to a hat, to a belt, or a backpack, with the included extended clip to provide us with the lightning we needed. And we have a long battery life and a battery indicator on it. That means the small X4 flashlight has the battery life of up to 285 hours. And with its 3,350 mAh high-performance battery, it can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours. It also has the battery indicator, which allows us to check the battery charge at any time and anywhere. Oh, really cool that it is. The WUBEN X4 is something versatile light. It's not only bright, but also really impressive, with a maximum lumen of 1,500. Wow. With 3,000, nearly 400 mAh. Wow. Battery, compact format, one white and RGB side light, and all with IP68 water control rating, 3-mode control system, and integrated tactical switch, flood and spotlight. 4 LEDs provide a floodlight and spotlight at once, with 1,500 lumen brightness, 200 meter distance, and powerful chip LED, and the interior waterproof rating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.